Do you dream of studying in a country that combines rich Islamic heritage, world class universities, and modern facilities? Do you want to earn your degree without worrying about tuition fees, living expenses, or health coverage? If the answer is yes, then it's time to explore your opportunities in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the top scholarships in Saudi Arabia for international students for the academic year 2025 and 2026. In this video, we will walk you through the best available scholarships, their benefits, eligibility criteria, and step by step guide to applying. So stay with us till the end, and who knows, your journey to a world class education might just begin here. Why study in Saudi Arabia? Saudi Arabia isn't just oil and deserts. It's a fast developing countries with a growing focus on education, research and innovation. Over the past decade, the kingdom has opened its door wider international students offering generous scholarships, state-of-the-art research facilities and cultural experience like no other. Whether you are interested in Islamic studies, engineering, artificial intelligence, health sciences or energy, Saudi Arabia's top tier universities provide globally recognized degrees, often taught in English. And the best part, many of these universities offer fully funded scholarships for talented students from across the globe. Fully funded scholarship you should know about. 1. King Abdullah University of Science and Technology Scholarship. Let's start strong with King Abdullah University of Science and Technology. Located on the Red Sea coast, this elite graduate level research university offers one of the most prestigious fully funded scholarship for the international students. Benefits include full tuition waiver, annual living allowance of up to $30,000, free on-campus housing, comprehensive health and dental insurance, relocation support is also available. If you are passionate about scientific research and innovation, King Abdullah University of Science and Technology is the place to be. Applications are competitive, but if you have a strong academic record and research proposal, it's worth the effort. 2. Islamic Development Bank ISDB Scholarship. Next, we have the globally recognized ISDB Scholarship, an initiative from the Islamic Development Bank aimed at empowering students from Muslim countries and communities worldwide. Benefits include monthly stipend, full tuition fees, health insurance, and travel allowance. Level of studies undergraduate, master's, PhD, postdoc, and training programs. What makes ISDB special is its focus on development. Applicants are expected to return and contribute to their communities, a noble goal and a powerful opportunity. 3. Islamic University of Medina Scholarship. For those seeking an Islamic learning environment combined with modern education, the Islamic University of Medina offers an incredible fully funded scholarship. Benefits include monthly allowance, free furnished accommodation, quality medical care, and much more. Programs available at Islamic University of Medina, undergraduate and selected master's program. Located in one of Islam's holiest cities, this university is ideal for students who want to blend religious studies with higher education in science or engineering. 4. King Abdulaziz University Scholarship. Ranked among the top institutions in the Arab world, King Abdulaziz University offers fully funded scholarships for all levels bachelor's, master's, and PhD. Scholarship perks include monthly stipend, free accommodation, healthcare, round trip airfare tickets, and much more. Programs offered wide range in sciences, engineering, humanities, and Islamic studies. Their online application portal is straightforward and their scholarship is well structured, making King Abdulaziz University a prime destination for international students. Besides the Saudi specific scholarships, several international foundations and programs also allow you to study in Saudi or other countries with partial or full funding. Aga Khan Foundation Scholarship. The Aga Khan Foundation offers a unique opportunity for students from selected developing countries to pursue master's and PhD degrees. What are the key features of Aga Khan Foundation Scholarship? 50% grant and 50% loan model, tuition support and living expenses applied to reputable universities, excluding some European countries. It's a competitive but impactful program, especially for students aiming to return and work in community development. Skallenberger Foundation Faculty for the Future. This program supports women from developing countries pursuing PhDs or postdocs in STEM fields at top universities globally. Benefits up to $50,000 per year for PhD and up to $40,000 per year for postdoc. Renewable throughout study, empowering women and science. This scholarship not only funds but inspires. Robert S. McNamara Fellowship Program. Managed by the World Bank, this program supports PhD candidates from developing countries to conduct research at host institutions abroad. This program offers up to $42,000 for 8-month research fellowship, a great fit for economists and researchers and development studies. IMU Breakout Graduate Fellowship Program. If mathematics is your passion, the International Mathematical Union IMU Fellowship can support your PhD studies anywhere in the world. It provides $10,000 per year, covers tuition, accommodation, travel, and living costs. This scholarship is funded by mathematicians for future mathematicians. How to apply step by step guide. While every scholarship has its own process, here is a general approach you can follow. 1. Research the university's official website. 2. Check the eligibility requirements carefully. 3. Prepare academic documents, transcripts, certificates, passport, etc. 4. Write a compelling statement of purpose or motivation letter. 5. Secure recommendation letters. 6. For graduate programs, draft a research proposal. 7. Apply online before deadlines. 8. Track your application and be ready for interviews if required. Application timelines and deadlines. Most Saudi universities open their scholarships between September and March. However, deadlines vary, so always check the official websites. Missing a deadline could mean waiting a whole year. Whether it's King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, Islamic Development Bank Scholarship, or the Islamic University of Medina, these scholarships are more than financial aid. They are doors to transformation, growth, and contribution to society. So don't let doubts or financial worries stop you. Start your research, prepare your documents, and take the first step today. Your dream university in Saudi Arabia might just be one click away. And remember, education is not just a degree, it's about direction. Choose yours wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more scholarship updates and international study guides. Drop your questions in comments. We respond to everyone.